Okay, so my download has been completed and I will open it now. Select your language. Click OK. License agreement. Read the license agreement, and if you accept it, I accept the agreement and click next. Selection of the software. So first of all, your window must be updated and you must have installed all these packages, Visual C++ and other packages that are given here, so that you face no problem in the installation. Okay, so your windows must be updated and click next. So here you want to install this wamp, so choose a directory and install it. Click next. And then the setup menu folder, which is the wamp server, and click next and click install. So now your software will be installed. Okay, so now it is asking for your favorite browser, so select your favorite browser. And I don't use Internet Explorer. So come here to the Google folder and Chrome. The application and select the Chrome and click open. Now it is asking for the favorite editor. So you can choose one, or I will skip this process. Just allow it in both private networks and public networks. And now click next and click finish. Now your web server setup has been installed successfully. And now we don't have any web server here, so let's search for that. And recently added, so I will open this one and click yes. So now you can see this red icon here. When it turns green, then the server will be on. So now it turns green. Now you can use it. So type in your browser localhost. Now your localhost is ready. Everything is installed. Apache version this and the PHP version is this. Okay. So you can also go to the PHP my admin, where our MySQL database is, and click root here in the username and click on the go button. So now you can access your databases here or create new ones, and here you have the PHP version and all of the information about it. Okay, so that's it for this class now. Okay, bye. Thanks.